Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our class, my dear student. How are you today? I hope you all have a good day. And today, I will tell you all the material about expressing intention. What is expressing intention? Well, expressing intention has meaning as a determination to perform an action in a certain way. This expression includes an expression that has never happened because this expression is still in the form of a plan or hope. To express an intention, the simple future tense is usually used. For example, the simple future we use is number 1 is he will, number 2 I'm going to, number 3 I'm planning to, number 4 I'm thinking of, number 5 I fully intend to, and number 6 maybe I will, and number 7 I would like to. Here is an example of asking someone for a plan or intention. Number 1, will you go fishing with me in the lake? Number 2, we are going to practice tennis this afternoon. Number 3, what would you like to do? Number 4, what are you doing tonight? Number 5, what will you do in the next summer? And the next is form an example of expressing intention. Number 1, we have be plus going to plus simple verb. For the example, I am going to my friend's house tonight. For the another example, the United States Circus is going to be performed in New York tomorrow. Number 2, be plus planning to plus simple verb. For the example, she is planning to go swimming in the public pool next week. Another example, I am planning to knit a sweater for my boyfriend. Number 3, we have be plus planning on plus verb in. The example, she is planning on translating the Japanese textbook tonight. Another example, I am planning on fixing my dad's old car tomorrow. Number 4, would like to plus simple verb. For the example, I would like to present my science project at this moment. Another example, I would like to get a ticket for tomorrow. Number 5, will plus simple verb. For the example, I will make my birthday cake at home. Another example, we will celebrate our first anniversary by going to the beach. Number 6, would rather plus simple verb plus than plus simple verb. For the example, I would rather bring my own food than buy food in the restaurant. For another example, she would rather stay in the house than go out with their family. Number 7, would prefer plus verb in plus to plus verb in. For the example, I would prefer buying instant food to making a food at home. For another example, my sister prefers watching TV to playing with her pets. Number 8, we have intend to plus simple verb. For the example, I intend to visit my grandmother this week. For another example, he does not intend to continue his studies. Number 9, we have hope to plus simple verb. For the example, we hope to see you again soon. Another example, she hopes to go to college this year. And the last one, we have want to plus simple verb. For the example, me and my sister want to make a cake for my mom's birthday. And another example, I just want to wish you a happy birthday and wish you all the best. Well, it's all for today's meeting. I hope you all can understand what the expressing intention is. Thank you for the attention. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.